Hi, I'm Mary Zizzo, the school nurse for Cambridge Montessori, and I want to take a moment to explain how to put together the face shield if you choose to take one home. This was a donation from a parent, and this can provide extra protection for your child. So let me show you what it comes with. So you have one see-through face shield, a double backing piece of tape, some foam that will be attached for comfort, and last but not least, a strap that'll help keep the face shield on. So to start off, we want to, there's film here that will protect the face shield, but you can take it off so that you can see better. So as you can see, I'm just taking it and peeling it off. And this might be a little difficult to get, so just keep trying. There is a piece of film attached. Okay, so once you have that done, then you're gonna take your piece of double back tape. You're gonna take it off. Hold on, this is just sticking. Okay, so I'm taking it off. This side right now is sticky, and what you want to do is put it in the center of the face shield with the face shield words reversed. So you're going to take it and then attach it to the center, and once that's done, there's also another piece that you just peel off. Just like that. And then you're going to take your foam and you're going to attach it right to the other double backing of the tape. So you can see it's all attached. And then last but not least, there are two places to snap in your strap. So you're going to take your strap and you're going to attach it one end, then the other end. Oops. And there you go. So then what you're going to do is you can just put it on just like that, and that way you have another layer of protection if you like, and then you can always have the kids decorate up here and make it look fun for them. So I hope that this helps answer any questions you might have, and if not, feel free to email me. Thank you.